Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, let us move on to lesson 1 part 3. As you realize, we are taking some time in this first lesson because this lesson is very important and is a foundation of the Arabic language. So bear with us and master this lesson before you move on. You will never regret it. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Let us repeat the letters we learned and then move on. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Dhal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sad, Sad, Bod. Okay, type. Very good. Let's move on to the next. Again, we said these middle 4 letters are heavy, right? So these 2 are also heavy. Let's cover this one. Ends with alif, make it long. Right? It has similar sound to ta, but this is heavy here. Right? Look behind the upper teeth. Ta, 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 ta. Don't say ta. That like the T in English. No, behind the teeth, like ta, 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 ta. Alif, ba, ta, fa, jim, ha, kha, dal, dhal, ra, za, sin, shin, sad, Dad, Ta. Next letter. Also ends with alif, make it long. Has a dot on top of it. You are going to bring your tongue out for this. By the way, there are 3 letters that you bring your tongue out for. 3 letters. Three letters. If you look, okay. If you remember last time, these are rules we covered last time, but 3 letters. Bring your tongue out for. What are these 3 letters? What is this? Fa. And then Dhal. And then Dha. Fa. Fa. Dhal and Dha. Very important to bring your tongue out for these 3 letters. Moving on. So we have Ta, Dha, Dha, heavy. Sad, Dad, Ta, Dha. Alif. It's getting you tired, right? Repeating these letters. But I'm telling you, once you're going to come out of this lesson, you're never going to forget these letters your whole life. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Dhal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad, Ta, Dha. Now, even if you're getting tired, think about the results. Now, if you have taken other courses and they haven't gotten you tired, then there's something wrong with them. And for that reason, you're here taking this course, because has to be practice. If what you learn doesn't come to practice, then what's the point of learning it? If what you learn doesn't benefit you, right? You yourself, what's the point of it? So, if you're getting tired, this is a good sign that you're learning. Next letter. This comes from the middle of the throat. Right, where ha comes from. But this one is different sound. Look. Ayn. 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 Middle of the throat. Ayn. 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 صاد ضاد طا ظا عين. Okay, this one, next heavy letter, is a heavy letter. Okay, so sound is going to remain in the mouth. Is when you gargle, there's a gargling sound from the top part of the throat where kha comes from, but kha is dry, but this one is a little wet. That sound. So look, ghain, 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 ayn, ghain, ayn is light, ayn, and this one gha, gha, ghain, ghain, صاد ضاد طا ظا عين غين. Next one. Next letter is easy. It's the F sound. Look. Fa. Ends with alif. Make it long. Fa. 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 Easy. Fa. Inner part of your lips. Fa. Don't say fa. Don't look. Don't do it like that. Fa. Ayn. Ghain. Fa. Okay. Next letter is the last heavy letter. This comes from the last part of the tongue touching the soft palate on the top. Look. That sound. Alif in the middle, make it long, ends with the fa sound. Qaf. You don't say ka. Feel it all the way back touching the soft palate. Qaf. 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 Fa. Qaf. This one, next one. It is easy, a little bit out. Ka, like the K sound, but don't cough it. Don't say k. No. Solid. Kaf. 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 Okay. Sad. Dad. Ta. Dha. Ayn. Ghain. Fa. Qaf. Kaf. So master these lessons inshallah before next time. Let's repeat one more time whole thing. Alif. Ba.